this is Bobby with the Vespasian Warner Public Library, and I'm here with another tale from the archive where we talk about objects and documents from our local history collection. Today's is one that I'm very excited about, and it is the Shinneman collection. And this collection came to us from Barbara Dick, who donated a very large textile collection that belonged to her grandparents and great-grandparents. And currently it is on display in the old library in the audiovisual room, and this is actually just a small part of everything that the collection entails. So you can see pictures back here of Vern and Florence Shinneman. They were from Weldon. Vern was a lifelong resident of Weldon. Florence was actually born in Indiana but then moved to Weldon with her family. They were married in Weldon in 1922 and started a family and had two daughters, Simone and Gretchen. And Florence was quite a seamstress, and she made all of the clothes for her daughters. And we have some of the baby clothes that she made on display, and they're beautifully preserved for being about 100 years old. Another item we have on display that I thought was really fun is before his marriage, Vern worked for the Reo Car Company, and his job was to deliver cars and then teach the people who bought them how to drive, because this was in the 19-teens, so driving was very uncommon. Cars were uncommon in this area. And we have Vern's car coat and his hat. So when he delivered the cars, he would actually live with the family for about a week while he taught them to drive, which I thought was really interesting and fun. Also, some of the items we have on display include Florence's wedding veil, a doll dress that was made by Florence's grandmother for her in 1906, and just some other odds and ends. And my personal favorite are the purses from the 1920s that are absolutely beautiful. So I would encourage everyone to come in and take a look at this while we have it on display and learn more about Vern and Florence. Thank you for joining me for this tale from the archive, and I hope to see you soon.